Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Thomson and I'm one of the solution engineers here at N2WS. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to upgrade your existing N2WS server using the patch method. As you can see here, I'm logged into the knowledge base from our support portal and I'm on the release notes for the latest version 4.3.x. As you can see from the information here where my cursor is, you can upgrade using the patch method if you're on version 4.2 or above. If you're on a version below 4.2, then you must upgrade using the AMI method, and the instructions are here. If you're on version 4.2, then you must upgrade using this patch here, which upgrades you to version 4.3. Once you're on 4.3, you would then need to install an additional patch, which is the one below that, which is 4.3.1. If you're already on version 4.3, then you can upgrade directly to version 4.3.1 using this patch here. Simply select the patch and that will start downloading it to your local machine. Once the patch has been downloaded to your local machine, head over to your N2WS console. Click on the settings at the top right, click on patches at the left-hand side, click on choose file, select the patch that you want to install, and click open. Once you've done that, hit upload and install, and then upload and install again. As you can see here, there's a window that pops up and it basically just tells you how long it could take. The larger your environment is, the longer the patch may take. It could take minutes, it could take up to hours. Okay. You may lose connection to your N2WS console because on occasions a patchy service may restart in the background. Don't worry at all though, once the patch has been complete, you should be able to click around your UI as normal. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for listening and watching, and I'll see you next time.